So, first of all, thank you for being here with me, despite the good weather out there. I think some colleagues might have looked for the sun out there. It's pretty nice, but I'm lucky that you are here and I can give you a bit of an overview about Siemens and the way we are digitalizing the world and the manufacturing world especially. So I'm here to represent Digital Factory. That's a group within Siemens. We have roughly 11 billion euros of revenue, consisting of automation equipment mainly, and the other part is industrial software that we offer to our customers. We have roughly worldwide 55,000 employees and 16 to 18 plants, so depends on how you count. And I would like to give you a bit of an overview how digitalization changes our world, changes the world of our customers, and what we do to help our customers on the one hand side, and also for sure how we do this kind of digitalization internally. So first I would like to start with a short movie because what has changed is the consumer world at the end of the day, and this gives some implications also for the industrial world and for the industrial customers. So let's start with a quick video.
What's one of the main drivers of change in the manufacturing industry? It's us, consumers. 63% of us want to have new products.
Okay, laptop performance. Digital problems, maybe. Should we try again or what should we do? Okay, so try again.
Products faster. 94% of us regularly search for alternatives. 61% of us are willing to pay more for higher quality. 74% have become more price sensitive. Another 60% of us want more sustainability. How can industrial companies meet these demands? By integrating and digitalizing the entire production, from the first idea of a product to its realization and even utilizing. With the Digital Enterprise Suite, Siemens helps customers master their digital transformation. This comprehensive portfolio of software-based systems and automation technologies seamlessly integrates product and production life cycles and offers the ability to simulate, test, and optimize all processes. All this happens in a completely virtual environment by creating and using a digital twin. By utilizing data obtained from both products and production processes, companies gain valuable insights and thereby continuously improve the whole value chain. So things can be produced faster, at the highest of security standards and with utmost cost efficiency, with more individuality, while taking care of both quality and the environment. Siemens helps manufacturing companies to become true digital enterprises, and thereby makes individual dreams a reality.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.
So this was roughly an overview of what changed in the consumer world at the end of the day. So at the end, what we look at, that the consumers are more and more defining what they would like to have, and they all would to have something special, I would say. In former times you could produce a product, you can do a good design, a good technology, you push it into the market with the right marketing instruments, and in most cases you were successful.